Hello. Today we are going to learn some legendary facts about barn owls, the most widespread owl species in the world. Barn owls are medium-sized birds of prey that have a distinctive heart-shaped face and pale plumage. They are nocturnal hunters that use their excellent hearing and vision to catch small mammals, mostly rodents. Barn owls belong to the family Titanidae, which is different from the family of most other owls, Strigidae. There are about 46 subspecies of barn owls that vary in size, color, and markings. Some of them have darker feathers on their back and wings, while others have more spots on their chest and belly. The smallest barn owl subspecies is found in the Galapagos Islands and weighs under 1/3 of a pound, while the largest one is found in Australia and weighs up to 1¼ pound. Barn owls have a very distinctive appearance that makes them easy to recognize. They have a heart-shaped facial disc that helps them funnel sound to their ears, which are located asymmetrically on their head. This allows them to pinpoint the exact location of their prey in the dark. Their eyes are large and dark, but they cannot move them in their sockets. Instead, they can rotate their necks up to 270 degrees to look around. Their beak is hooked and sharp, and their feet have strong claws and talons for grasping their prey. Barn owls are found on every continent except Antarctica, and they can live in a variety of habitats, such as farmland, grassland, woodland, desert, and urban areas. They prefer to nest in cavities, such as hollow trees, barns, buildings, or nest boxes. They are usually monogamous and mate for life, but sometimes they may have more than one partner or mate with different individuals each year. They can breed all year round, depending on the availability of food and nesting sites, and lay between 2 to 18 eggs per clutch, which hatch after about 30 days of incubation. The chicks stay in the nest for about 8 to 10 weeks before they fledge. Barn owls are carnivorous and feed mainly on small mammals, such as mice, rats, moles, shrews, and rabbits. They may also eat birds, reptiles, amphibians, insects, and fish. They hunt mostly at night, using their keen senses of hearing and vision to locate their prey. They fly silently thanks to their soft feathers that reduce the noise of their wing beats. They can catch their prey on the ground or in the air and swallow it whole. They regurgitate the indigestible parts of their prey, such as bones and fur, in the form of pellets. Barn owls are not very vocal birds, but they do make some sounds to communicate with each other or express their emotions. They do not hoot like other owls, but they make hissing, screeching, snoring, clicking, or chittering noises. They also use body language and postures to convey messages. For example, they may bob their head or sway their body to show curiosity or aggression. Barn owls are amazing animals that play an important role in the ecosystem by controlling rodent populations. However, they are also threatened by habitat loss, pesticide use, road collisions, predation by larger animals, and human persecution. They are protected by law in many countries, and conservation efforts are being made to help them survive and thrive. You can help barn owls by providing them with suitable nesting sites or boxes, avoiding the use of rodenticides or other harmful chemicals near their habitats, and supporting organizations that work for their protection. How do barn owls say goodbye? I'll see you later. Thank you for watching this video about barn owls. I hope you learned something new and interesting about these amazing animals. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.